Hi friends, this is Parag. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to see what are the operators in Python. So let's start. Types of operator in Python are which are generally used in programming: arithmetic operators, logical operators, relational or comparison operators, assignment operators. Special operators are two types. One is identity operator, second is membership operator. The membership operator is in, not in, and identity operator are is not. So we will discuss this in this session one by one. We will divide the lecture into multiple parts for the convenience. So let's start the arithmetic operators. We have seen in the operations on number session about the arithmetic operator, right? These are, we know, plus, minus, star means multiplication, slash means division, percent and float division. Okay, so let's try one by one. Suppose we have created the variable x is equal to 50, x is equal to 50 and y is equal to 10. So let's use these operators. Suppose we perform the addition of these two. Let's see what will happen. Oh, we should run this first. Okay, see, x plus y 60. Again, subtraction operation, x, put minus symbol, y. Let's run the cell. 50 minus 10, 40. Similarly, 50 star, sorry, x star y. So we are performing here multiplication operation. It will be obvious 500, right? See, 500. So in this way you can perform this all the operations, okay, and practice. Similar with division, with percent and with float division. Okay, now we will see the logical operators. So see, when we use the AND logical operator, if both arguments are true, then only result is true. Then OR logical operator, when you use the OR, if at least one argument is true, then result is true. Okay, at least one means minimum one argument when comes true, then result is true. And NOT operator, it's complement operator. Let's see into the exam. So you will get the clear understanding of these. When we are going to use the AND, see, we have given here the example 10 and 20. So what will return this? This 10 and 20 will return 20. See, what if both arguments are true, then only result is true. Okay, this AND operator is giving the result. Means we will see first this. I will first explain you this. See, if true and false, okay, so what is it returning? What boolean value it is returning? See, false. When we run this cell, it gives false. with AND operator. Okay, now in next line you will see this true or false. And what about not false? It is returning true. See, when we are running this returned as true. Okay, so just keep in mind these things and practice this, so you will remember very well. In this cell we try the example of 10 and 20. See, suppose 10 and 40. See this example in this cell. Okay, this cell, what is this returning as? 40. So we have seen this 50 and 10. So whatever the second value, it is returning as that value. Are you getting? Suppose 60 and 10, again this return as 10. Suppose this 60 and 30, 300. Okay, let's check 300. What will return? 300. So whatever the second value in AND or logical operator, it is returning here. Okay, so let's see the next example with OR logical operator. Let's understand with the example. What is the meaning of if either of argument is true, then only result will be the argument, otherwise it will be second argument. Okay, let's try this 10 or 20. What this returned as? 10. Right, I will add some cells here for the more examples. Suppose 40 or 10. We got 40 after running the cell. In next cell, suppose 50 or 20. We got 50. Suppose 20 or 50. We got 20. Okay, so in this way OR operator works. Okay, then we will see the NOT operator. Let's see here. I will add some cells for the better understanding. See, NOT operator. In NOT operator, if X is evaluates to false, then result is true, otherwise false. Okay, so when we are mentioning here new cell, see, not 20, so it is returning as false. Not 30, so it is returning as false. Now we will see what about 0. Guess what will be the answer? What will be the result? Let's run. This is true. Okay, so in this way NOT operator is working.